Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for the 2D RPG kit. This time I will go over how to create items. Items are placed in the prefab folder under items, and the 2D RPG kit comes already with a bunch of pre-configured items that all have different effects, like an either to heal MP and the simple key. But for this tutorial I want to make a variation of the potion that actually has a stronger effect. So let's duplicate the potion with Ctrl D and rename it to High Potion. As the potion is a consumable, it is flagged as an item, it will not revive the player, and it won't affect any offense or defense. Here we rename it to High Potion as well, and in the description it will say that it restores 100 HP. Let's also raise the price in shops to 60. And if you want to sell the potion to a shop, you should get 30 gold. Here you can change the appearance of this item by assigning another sprite, but we will leave this as it is for now. And the potion will of course affect the HP and not anything else. The amount will be changed to 100, as stated in the description. And now we have to register this item in the game manager. Under items, we have a list of existing items. Just expand the list by one. And drag and drop the newly created item into the last slot. So in order to test the item, we can place it in the player's inventory, under the inventory tab, instead of the game manager as well. Just enter the name of the item and make sure the spelling is correct. So now let's hit play. And to test the effect, we should reduce the player's HP through the running game manager. If you open the game manager from the menu in the play mode, it will automatically select the currently instantiated game manager instead of the prefab. So now let's reduce the player's HP to 1 and open the menu and the inventory. So the high potion is indeed now a part of the player's inventory with the correct description. Click use and choose the character to use the potion on. So as the player has a max HP of 25, the potion of course completely restored his HP. Next, let us create some new equipment. We can again just duplicate one of the existing items like the sword here. Let's call it sword +1. And the sword is not a consumable item and it will not revive. Instead it raises the offense. Adjust the name here as well. And the description, +3 on strength, a higher buying price and sell price. Again, you can change the appearance with a new sprite. And as a non-consumable item, we don't need anything from here, but the sword raises the strength by 3. So back to the game manager, we need to register the sword as well. And to test it, we place it in the inventory, this time under equip items. So when we hit play now, we can bring up the equipment menu and see that we now have the sword ready to be equipped. So it raises the strength by 3, so let's choose a character and equip the sword. Now we can see that it is equipped and raised the power by 3, making this character stronger. So, and that's it for the item tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and updates.